Welcome to my channel. My name is Vivian. If you love Chinese food, Asian food, so stay with me. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Popeyes fried chicken my way. My secret ingredient, I'm going to show you how to make it juicy, tender, crispy. Keep watching. So crack your egg in a little small bowl first. I know this is like extra step, but this will ensure you won't have shells in your marinade. Because when you crack your egg directly to the bowl, you might get a piece of a little shell in there. Chopsticks actually is great for whisk eggs. Look at that. Your buttermilk, and with the mix with the eggs. 5 spice powder. This adds a lot of flavor in the chicken. Black pepper powder. Secret weapon. Sichuan Peppercorn powder. Will add a lot of flavor in your chicken. So I use this a lot. It's the main ingredient for me for this chicken dish. Salt. Okay. I'll put the chicken in here. We marinate at least an hour and a half in the fridge. It's better actually overnight. Let it sleep in this bath. Yeah. Let it soak and put it in the refrigerator. Who loves Sichuan food? If you love Sichuan food, please subscribe. Come back for more. My next one, I'm going to make classic mapo doufu, the real one from a Sichuan person, if you like. So now we make the breading for the chicken. So I usually use 1 cup of flour, and my secret ingredient make this chicken outside crispy. If you can get tempura mix. Tempura mix, this with the taste really light and crispy. Okay, flour. Tempura mix. 5 spice powder. Same black pepper. Sichuan peppercorn powder. If you make for the kids, then that's it. You don't need to add any chili, pepper, or anything. Oh, this makes me gonna sneeze. Look at this color already. But I love spicy food. You know I'm from Sichuan, so I will add some chili powder. This is Sichuan chili powder. Smell this. Smell this. Just amazing. Powder in here. Some cooking oil. Put my hair up. Let's see if it's 350 yet. So now they're ready with eggs. We put in the flour mix. There's our tempura mix in here. And then give it a little massage. Who loves massage? Look at this flour. The tempura is so light, so it's very fluffy to fly everywhere. This is the white meat. The dark meat actually cook longer. The white meat cook faster. Now it's time to let the chicken jump in the oil bath. Well, second one's huge. No. Everything's chopsticks. Look at that. The breading is so good, so light. You can see they just open like a flower. The inside to be 165. Cookie jars. I have 2 of them. This clay one actually I got from China. Hold on the plane all the way here. Here are the pickled peppers and the cucumbers in here. The brine is 14 years old because I'm able to keep this long. I keep adding vegetables and adding spices, adding salt, sugar. So there's no vinegar. It's a whole fermentation process. So you have to take care of this like a baby. So here, it's the cucumber I'm gonna use. Look at that. I'm gonna put it here for now. Slice some pickles for the sandwich. Slice it really thin. Already pickled. So good. Japanese mayonnaise for the sandwich. I like to use a brioche, so this is brioche sandwich bun. Chili paste, actually from China. Oh, this chili paste is really good. Mix with that. Chili powder in here. Roasted buns, look at that. So now we are making sandwich. Let's do that. Ooh. One side. Smaller piece for myself. Smaller piece for myself. Cut this way. Then we have to eat this. Oh, it's so crunchy. You can hear the noise when I'm cutting the chicken. Okay, open up. Let's try the chicken. Oh, I'm hungry, can't wait. Try this piece. Crispy and crunchy. Crispy outside. And the chicken meat inside is very tender. Well seasoned. You can taste the Sichuan peppercorn, kind of numbing. Let me take another bite. The pickle cuts some of the fatness of the chicken, which actually chicken breast is very pretty lean. If you use chicken thigh, oh, the pickle really help kind of balance the taste. You can taste the heat, the chili in here, the fragrance, the fragrance. I'm in heaven. This is so good. I guess I'm not going back to Popeyes. Sorry. I'm gonna stay home, eat my sandwich. I will see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe. You'll see more Sichuan food, Chinese food coming your way. And comment below here if there's something you want to see me cooking. Please let me know. Thank you. See you next time.